Sincron Zero MW came from a revolutionary idea and highly advanced design. Sincron Zero MW is a pulling over lasting machine that introduces a new method of lasting for all types of shoes. The machine is completely powered by electric motors with computer-operated numerical control. Sincron Zero MW can adapt to a great variety of shoe manufacturing processes. The machine has 9 pincers which can also be operated manually using these levers. At the end of the cycle, the levers return to resting position. With Sincron Zero MW, the pincer pulling strengths can be preset when operated manually. The green lines on the graph show 3 different possible settings. Sincron Zero MW protects the upper from damage from incorrect operation. The pincers can also pull automatically. In this case, the settings can be memorized easily on the control panel. The computer guarantees commands are carried out with absolute precision. For example, it tells the machine which pincers to pull and how many millimeters they must drop to stretch the upper correctly. Sincron Zero MW incorporates a sensational cement distribution system. This distributes cement through nozzles that can be entirely programmed from toe to waist. This means the machine can guarantee speed and precision for any model. Here we can see how the cement distributors operate on a shoe in transparency. In addition, by simply pressing a button, we can opt for the mix system that uses a crown for the toe and nozzles for the ball and waist. Here we see a shoe being lasted using this system. Sincron Zero ensures cementing is impeccable even on very pointy or unevenly shaped toes. Cementing is precise and reliable even with a soft insole or on very thin and tapered lasts. The path taken by the nozzles can be set intuitively by following the profile of the insole. Numerical control technology sets the closure of the wipers according to the last being used. To gain a better idea of this significant innovation, here we can see some examples of wiper closures taken from the many available. Here the wipers move forward and close simultaneously at the end of their run. In this example, the wipers close first and then move to the end of their run. Here we see the wipers moving down. They are open for a stretch, then they close and move down for the rest of their run. In addition, the wipers can be programmed so that they close more on the internal edge of the last than on the external edge. Sincron Zero can learn, memorize and carry out instructions with absolute precision. The machine also contains two devices that can easily be turned on or off. These last the connection between the ball and waste. They push the upper towards the inside of the last and hold it while the wipers close. But Sincron Zero does not cease to amaze us. Operators can memorize the profile of the pincers simply by following the profile of the last. Sincron Zero is the only pulling over and lasting machine that can do this. The last two pincers, located at the waist, each swivel in turn and stretch the leather towards the inside of the last. This movement can be preset and helps to last the insole connection effectively. An optical compass projects luminous lines onto the toe of the shoe, making it easier to center the upper. Sincron Zero was designed to make operation easier. To give workers a wider field of vision, the pressing button is positioned on the right when in operation. At the end of the cycle, the shoe falls into the basket. Molina e Bianchi is confident that the versatile Sincron Zero will satisfy any client who wants a fully featured, fashion-adaptable machine that can last well into the future.